guys, welcome to a video after a long time. I'm very sorry for the wait. So today's video is about Tiny 11. You may have heard about it, but this is no ordinary version of Tiny 11. With this version, it will work on a 7th generation Intel processor and 7th generation Intel processor. So with this, you can install it on any device made via Lenovo and HP or Dell, but if it doesn't match 8th generation, you can use this, and this is a way to get Tiny 11 without losing all your files. As you can see, it has the img burn logo because you have to download a version of Tiny 11 with no system requirements, then a patch file from another YouTuber. shout out to i for Shout out to him. And here is the Tiny 11 operating system. As you can see, I will open it with Windows Explorer or File Explorer as mostly known. And as you can see here, it says DVD drive E Tiny 11 bypass because that is the name. And then you have to click on sources, go all the way down to, is this the one? No, it's called setup prep, as I will show you in 2 minutes. As you can see, setup prep. You can also search it, but since I know where it has been, you have to click on this and it will give you a user account control. And since I cannot launch it, since user account control will go black, I will attach an image, but here goes nothing. And now I have returned and Windows is preparing. As you can see, it says install Windows 11. First, we click change how setup downloads updates. And before I start to show you, I want to tell you that Tiny 11 is a modified version of Windows 11 without the extra apps and all they give, like Microsoft Edge. Everybody hates Microsoft Edge. As you can see, it's not available, and many are there, like Clipchamp, Instagram. They download it all preloaded, but in this version you don't get that, and it takes up as much space as a normal Windows 10 machine would, so it would be very good. You have to click on change how setup downloads updates. Then from here we click on not right now, because if you try to do it, it will not work, and it will not download Windows. It will say the processor is not supported. So let's click on next. Now it's just checking your PC. And since I have already installed Windows 11, I will not redo it, but as you can see, you have to click on accept. Don't click on decline, otherwise it will exit the program. It, it will ask you what to keep after this prompt because there is a glitch. But this version of Windows 11 is working fine. I will show you to you in my task manager. As you can see, my it's not taking up much space, but it may say that its usage is allowed, but the rest is fine. I am also using Wi-Fi, making sure your PC has enough space. And oh yes, this is a Lenovo ThinkCentre M710Q. It's a mini PC. As you can see, install Windows 11 Pro since I have the Pro version. Keep personal files and apps, and also you don't have to give a product key. It's what comes with your operating system for activating it. And here, keep personal files and apps. You can click on change what to keep. If you want to keep everything or nothing, you can change it. But since we are not doing that, we'll just click on keep personal files and apps. Then it will say ready to install. But since I have installed Windows 11, I'll quit. But what will happen next, I'm letting you know. After you get the install prompt and all your settings are done, then it will full screen into installing Windows 11. You have to give it I think around 50 to 60 minutes or maybe 20 minutes, depending on how much time it takes. It's very unpredictable. Then it will reboot into Windows 11 and it will do some updates. But make sure that your computer is not connected to the internet. As you can see, then we would click install and it would say installing Windows 11. Then after that you would be booted into Windows 11. Your wallpaper would be black, but you can just bring it back. As you can see, I'm closing it. Thank you very much for watching. Shout out to the YouTuber. His link is in the description. And shout out to my 3 latest subscribers. Thank you very much. Please like, share, and subscribe. Bye.